Codec Technologies is thrilled to offer a free internship program certified by ISO and ICAC. This is your chance to gain hands-on experience and industry-relevant skills across 37 specialized domains, setting you apart in today's competitive job market. Choose from diverse fields like software development, including roles such as web developer and Java developer. Dive into emerging technologies with machine learning and cybersecurity. Explore engineering and electronics with robotics and signal processing. Design and analysis offers graphic designing and data science. Specialized roles include defense hacker and renewable energy systems, among others. Benefit from exclusive resources like 12+ software subscriptions, 250+ ethical hacking tools, and access to over 1,500 tools. Enjoy perks such as an offer letter, a verified internship certificate, and placement guidance to help you secure your future career. Upon completion, receive a printed certificate, an exclusive t-shirt, a college bag, a water bottle, and a 2-year free web hosting code from codechosting.com. Apply today to join Codec Technologies, where learning meets real-world innovation. Seats are limited, so don't miss this incredible opportunity to kickstart your career.